Hello everyone, I am Neelam from AAA Watercolor. Today we are making a super simple fun watercolor card for Father's Day. I tape down watercolor paper on a flat surface and place a strip of tape right down in the middle. Now I have a large clean brush, evenly wet the surface of the paper. We are using wet on wet technique and water coat is even but not dripping. Now start dropping the color in. This is Hansa yellow and cerulean blue color. You need to just drop the color in and let the watercolor magic happen. It will naturally blend on the paper. It's okay if they bloom into each other. Now add same color at the bottom part of the paper. I am using Archie Cold Press paper, 100% cotton, 300 GSM. So I am adding little bit of green. You can add viridian green, you can add phthalo green, just to create the interest in the painting. Now add little bit of ultramarine blue. Focus on making the corners and edges bit darker. This adds depth and give a nice glowing effect in the center. I am just making top and bottom and corners little bit darker. Just drop the colors in and let it flow. Trust the water. It will do blending for you. Now I am still making corners little darker. I am adding phthalo green color on the corners. This will create a visual interest in the painting. And let it little bit sit for a couple of minutes. Just sit for a couple of minutes. When the paper is still damp but not soaking wet, sprinkle some salt on the painting. This creates fun texture and look like stars or crystals when it's done. It's create beautiful texture. Believe me guys, just do it. But the surface is damp, not wet. If the surface is wet, it will soak all the salt. So now that it's dried completely, now I will take out the tape on the middle, and this is the clean surface for the message. It's your painting, it's your card, so whatever you want to write, just guys write it here. I am not a calligraphy expert and my handwriting is just simple, so but I still like to add personal touch. You can write your message lightly with pencil first, then go over with the pen or marker or whatever you will want to write. So just write down there. You can write Happy Father's Day, I love you Dad. So anything I am writing, you make my whole word so colorful. I love you Dad. So you can write whatever you want to write. It's your personal message to your father. Or if you want to make this card for different occasion, you can add the message accordingly. So now watercolor card is ready. That's it guys. I hope you enjoy making this simple express